Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is January the 7th and we're going to be looking at the DAX today for the chart of the day. We can see we finished with two intermediate degree at 22,943. Then we continue to extend higher. Now this is the all-time high in the DAX. Here is the 4-hour time frame. If I zoom out, then basically this is the all-time high, right? So still very bullish, right? Still very bullish. And now again, if we can see simply just by looking at the 4-hour time frame, now this one is a blank chart, but we do have all the full labels in the 4-hour, daily, weekly in the member area. If you want to see, you feel free to take our trial. We have 14 days trial, and you can find the link in the description of the video. So if you take a look at the last significant low, which is this one on November last year, and simply look at the structure of the rally, you can see this one looks to be the biggest pullback since November. So then you can, if you assume, I can just simply use the extension tools. So you assume this is your first leg and this is your second leg, which is basically what we are seeing here anyway. This wave 2 here at 22,943 is 23,943. So now this wave 2 is somewhere here, I guess. 23, yeah, I think it's this one. Sorry, it's this one, right? This one, 22,943. And then you got one into here. You got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have one into here, right? That's based on the 1 hour time frame that we just saw. So if you just simply measure the extension, then you have upside target of around 25,450, right? Approximately 25,450. So then that means any kind of pullback is going to be a buy in the dips event. Most likely we're not going to top out anytime soon, and we're going to see further upside. And again, short-term pullback will continue to find support, like this one for example. You can see it has a very clear 3 waves and then immediately getting bought and extends higher again, right? So if you measure the extension, you can see this one didn't even reach 100% here. This 3 waves and then already getting bought and rally again. So overall, we do continue to see more upside and we like it higher. And again, any pullback from this point still will continue to be finding buyers, right? And then target upside is at least 25,450 approximately. Okay, so that's what we are looking in the DAX right now, guys. Okay, and again, if you do want to look at other indices, ETFs, stocks, feel free to check our service. And we're also running a promotion right now, New Year promotion. So if you're a new client, you can subscribe with some discount to our service. Okay, so see you all again next time and have a nice day, everyone.